Requesting a data backup. In this session, we'll walk you through how to export your data and request a data backup in Zoho CRM. Requesting a data backup allows you to download all the data stored in your CRM account. You can choose to download it immediately or schedule backups to run automatically at regular intervals. Once the process is complete, both the data and attachments will be available as separate, compressed folders. Now, let's learn how you can request a data backup. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Go to Setup, Data Administration, Data Backup. Here, you'll see two options: schedule a backup to occur automatically at a later time, or download an immediate backup of your CRM data. You can choose from the available repeat types: twice a month, once a month, every week. You can also specify the exact time or day when you want the backup to be ready. For example, if you select twice a month, you can choose the specific day, say Monday, and your backup will be ready every alternate Monday. If you choose once a month, you have additional options to schedule it on a particular date, or select the first, second, third, fourth, or last Monday of the month. If you choose every week, simply pick the day of the week the backup should run. You can also click Download Immediately to generate an instant backup of your entire CRM data. Once you've selected the repeat type and settings that work for you, click Done. The Backup Summary section will display the repeat type, the current backup status, and when the next backup will be available. If you want to cancel a scheduled backup, click Stop Backup and confirm your action in the pop-up. When the backup is complete, you'll see a notification at the bottom right corner. Your data and attachments will be archived as separate zip files. Simply click these zip files to download them. The Logs section displays a complete history of backup actions, along with dates and times. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.